Hey there, Joe Nichols with Masters Roofing here today on a roof that we're doing for a fortified roof. Part of the fortified roof, one of the requirements is re-nailing of the sheathing every 4 inches instead of every 6 to 8 inches. We've had our IBHS inspector out earlier. As you can see below, he's measured out every 4 inches, our nail pattern, which meets requirements. One of the things we do when we do this is we use a ring shank nail, a 2 3/8" ring shank nail. Similar like to the screws, got little rings the whole way up the nail. It's a hot dip galvanized nail west of the Intercoastal Waterway. East of the Intercoastal Waterway, we use stainless steel. One more aspect of the fortified roof is the underlayment underneath the shingles. In normal everyday installation, we put ice and water shield in the valleys in the first 3 feet of the roof. Installation like this, where we are fortified, we cover the entire roof with ice and water shield. As you can see here, covers every part of the roof. It's a very thick underlayment, protects against ice and water. It's adhesive on the bottom so it sticks to the decking. You can see down below we use a GAF product actually called Storm Guard. It's very protective underlayment for underneath your shingles. We're installing a GAF Timberline HDZ shingle. This shingle in particular, when installed with 4 other GAF components, has a 15-year limitless wind warranty and a lifetime product warranty, as well as a 25-year algae stain protection warranty. Those other 4 components are ridge cap shingles, the ice and water underlayment, as well as a shingle starter strip on the eaves and the rakes. The starter strip is one other requirement for the fortified roof. If you would like your roof inspected, have any suspect of damages, or just want to check out the fortified process, please give us a call, 910-742-2250.